right, y'all. So this your boy, Hemi John. I'm back with another video. As the title says, let the modding begin. So we already put the wheels on. I gotta get black lug nuts or either lug covers. So I will be getting those maybe tomorrow. I'll probably get the black lug nuts to go with it. But I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna paint my calipers later once I get the car wrapped. And it's the reason behind why the car is not wrapped and my wheels are on. I'm actually going to be helping my son get his first car. He's 16, my oldest son. So we're gonna be getting him a car here soon. And we have a car in mind. I'm not gonna reveal it yet, but it's not a Mopar. So it'll be interesting to bring it to the channel as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see, these are the Spider tail lights. Also, I got my grill in today as well for the front. But in this video, we're just gonna do the tail lights. So let me get this open and I'll be hollering back at y'all. All right, so here we go. There we are. So I'll be getting these slapped in here and be hollering back at y'all. So you see what we got. Go over here. You see the factories. And this is what we got. So hollering back at you guys in a minute. And I'm back with the finished product. So that's what we got. Let you guys see the other side right quick. Like I said, I still got to put my grill on. That's a project for another day. But I got them in. And I'll be getting a picture for you guys at the end of this video of them on. So with that being said, hope everyone's having a good, safe start to your weekend for the weekend check-in. Stay tuned for more mods to the Goldie, the 300. And be safe, take care of yourself. Like I said, take care of your family. Holla at your boy. Peace.